Okay, I'm start recording. So you can I slow down so you can follow how to change the characters here. So first we goes to Mixamo. Okay, so I'm using this account. So type the mixamo.com. You can do it together. Okay, then you log in. Continue with Google's. Okay. Okay, so we continue. So this is the characters that we did, right, for last week. Okay, so for your characters, okay, you can choose the animation to download. Okay, so we only need one animation which with skin on it with the models. The rest we just need the animation file. Okay, it's okay to download all with the skin, but it will be far too big when you do downloading, and when you put to the Unity, actually your file become bigger. So I actually recommend only download one skin, either one. So normally we download the idol with skin on it, the rest without skin. Okay, so we download the idol animation. Okay, I think my internet very slow. It's not coming. My God. Sorry, my internet very slow. I'm using Utah Wi-Fi. I use mine. Then you search the idol, Okay, so now click the download. Okay, click download. Okay, for first times the idol one with skin with skin. After that, without skin, you can choose with skin or without skin. With skin means that you have the mask with you. You have the 3D model with you. Without skin means that only animation file. Okay, so for the format, okay, we choose for Unity. Okay, because it will be meet with the Unity file. So this one you choose FBX for Unity, and then this one you choose with skin. Okay, you choose either one, the idol. Then you click download. Okay. Oh, today luckily my light is good. Okay, after that we need the rest of the animation. For example, the walk. Okay, so for the walk you can choose okay, like this. But for the walk file, please click this one, in place. Okay, he cannot have the geometry movement, because if you implement the geometry movement, right, so when you press the button, he will become back forward like that. So your walking will be very weird implement into your game. So must click this one, in place. Right? In place. Okay, when you do downloading, okay, now you choose without skin, because either we already have skin. So download without skin. Okay, so this one FBX for Unity. Then you click download. So without skin, so click download. Okay, so you can check your Unity. This is your player. Okay, and you have the animator here. You can see you will have your animators here. So double click this one. You see what animation have So we got either walk and run. So you can have run. Okay, and then you also can jump, start and jump, land in air. So then we download the run. Okay, so you can search for the run. Okay, so for the run, okay, so which run you like? Okay, for example, I choose this one. Okay, for this one, run also, you check this one in place. Okay, we select this in place, so he run like this, sprint like this. Okay, so then same thing, do downloading without skin and also the FBX for Unity. So then you click download. Okay. Okay, so now I have 3 files already. Okay. So for those don't have the characters, I will send these 3 to you. So for those don't have the characters, you can use my download from the WhatsApp. Okay, now you I prefer you can see you put it in the proper way So this one is characters, right? So you can have the my characters. Okay, you can just put it in the proper place. So just drag the 3 file. Just drag this 3 file. Wait, I save it to game dev here. Okay, so you drag this 3 to here. You can put whatever file as long as you feel. 怎么我 download Oh. Okay, so this one, right? Okay, you just drag and drop here. Okay. So now, so these characters, right? Okay, you select these characters. For the rig, the type, if you have the models with other animation file, actually you use generic will be okay. But because of this one, we have rigging. We have a rigging, human, so we need to change to humanoid for all animation type. Okay, so then you click apply. Okay, so this one, select the characters, select the rig animation type, change to humanoid. Okay, so do the same for others. Humanoid, apply. So this one also, humanoid, apply. So do all for your characters file. Okay, once you done, you select these characters, material here, you extract material. Okay, once you extract the material, if you put it here, so all your material will be spammed here. So I don't like it, I feel like very messy, so I create a folder to collect all of them. So I type character material. So open this one, select this folder. So all your material will be bumped to here already. You see, once you open this, all is your material. Okay, so now this is your fabrics, right? Okay, done. So once you done already, you can drag your characters here. Okay, you can drag your characters here. You can put exactly the same place like these characters because the camera adjusts already, right? So you just put 0, 0, 0. So you see exactly the same place like your character, the characters here. Can? Okay, now this one, you open this player amateur. Open this player amateur. Okay, you drag and drop your characters here and then put 0, 0, 0. Okay, and then you drag your characters to this one, okay, and you open player amateur, open the geometry, this one, you delete this one, delete this one, delete this amateur mesh, okay, and then you drag this character under the children's of geometry. Must be children's of geometry, okay. So now, okay, so you goes to your player amateur here, you change the avatar, okay, this avatar change to your own avatar. So this avatar I think is wait, this one is what, 312025, right? Okay, So you change this one to your avatar, the idle one, okay? So you select this one, okay? Now you try to move it, see can or not. Okay, so you goes to your game. So now you see your characters is working already. Can you replace your own characters? But now, okay, our characters is still using the plain one solid, right? No texture with it, right? Okay, now open your material for your fabric here. Okay, so for your fabrics, okay, okay, in this area, okay, click this one to select the cloth. Okay, we don't have the texture, so you can actually open another folder to store your textures for your cloth. So you can type textures here. Okay, now you go to pictures to grab some photo for the cloth patterns. So for example, I just drag and drop all the textures here for the clothing that I downloaded previously. Okay, now for our double click the material, you open the material and you have the textures here, right? So the cloth, right? For example, I choose this one. So now you see it will be have this for the fabric 2. For the fabric 3, okay, I put this one for example. Okay, fabric 4, I choose this one. Oh my god, very ugly. Wait. Is it okay? Look better. Never mind, just focus on it. Okay, so this one you see, this one is the arm, right? Okay, this one is the body. So normally you choose the skin color, or you can download the skin textures. Okay, you can download the skin textures and then seamless. Okay, so the skin textures, which one will be look like skin textures? Yeah, so girly. Okay. I think you can use this one. For the skin textures. Okay. So you just drag and drop to your skin here. Where I put the textures. Yeah, put this one. Okay. So okay, I have the skin here, right? So just drag and drop to yeah. Okay, so just drag and drop to here, skin. Okay, so now when you choose your skin for the material, which one? Oh, my characters. Okay, this one, right? So this body, so you change to this one, the skin here. Okay, so now you just drag and drop and go to scene mode. Sorry. Okay, just drag and drop to the skin. Okay, now you drag and drop to your face, drag and drop to your leg. Okay, so now okay already, right? Okay, so for the eye, okay, for the eye, so you download the eye texture, no need seamless lah. So eye texture, suppose you can maybe this one. Okay, we try see. Is it okay? Save as the pictures and then eyeball 2 lah. Okay, I downloaded 我的眼光都是一样不一样 okay, different a bit, slightly different. So now for your eye, right? Okay, so this one for your eyeball. So you can use the eyeball like, goes to the textures. So you have the eyeball. Okay, so eyeball 2 right just now. This one, right? I choose this one. You just drag and drop to here. Okay, and then for your material, your eye, you choose the eyeball here. Okay, now you drag and drop to the eyeball. Sorry. Okay, so drag and drop to here. See, you will have your eyeball. See, okay? So now is your hair lah. So for the hair, okay, we can download the hair textures as well. So the hair textures, so you can see the seamless hair textures. Okay, I try with this one. I don't know what is the effect, but I will try. Okay, save image as, so this is the curly hair. So save it. So now we have the curly. Oh no. Okay, never mind. Just I will prefer to put it here. Okay. So the curly hair here. So your mat here for your hair. Which one is your hair? Oh, I wanted to show it like features. Also. Well. Okay, so like this better, so I can see. So this is the hair, right? Okay, so the hair, you enter the hair, curly hair here. So you can see the hair lah. Oh my god. So this one, transparent preserve alpha clipping. Okay, another hair. So alpha clipping. So we put it the hair here. So cannot, very ugly also. You know, the hair not nice ah. Okay, I think the hair no need to be a shining lah. So you can reduce the smoothness. So the hair like this better, right? Now look better already. So everything okay already. So this one eyelash so this the faces. So this one we're not using because we're using body skin. The eye tool we also using this eye already. You can delete. So the leg also delete. So the skin we also delete. So skin delete. Chew cannot see lah, so no need lah. And now might leave it lah. So the hair, it still got hair. The alpha. I think metallic will be okay. So transparent alpha. So this one okay lah. Okay, now okay already. So with this eyelash we use black color. Okay, so this one also black colors lah. Okay, this one left shoe. This one also shoe, sorry, shoe. Okay, so I black color shoe So for your shoe, okay, so the shoe is black color. You can put the texture as well if you want textures. So now this one is shoe. Oh, we don't have eyelash so we can have the material, we can create a match, but black, we can use black as well, so no need to use another one. We just use the eyelash with this, so can place it. Okay. Okay, normally you can like this lah, so then you drag and drop to this eyelash. Okay, you select this one. Okay, so you put it inside here, so now your eyelash become black color already. Okay, so now your entire textures for your characters look okay already. You can try it out. So now you can see this is your own characters already. So you can have your own characters to correct the things. Okay, now the animations is the original animations, right? Okay, you need to replace with your own animation. So you can put the player amateurs here. Okay, double click the animators here. Okay, so goes to your player amateurs, double click the animators here. So you can see once you click this band tree, you will have the animation file here. So you goes to your own animation file, this one. Okay, we have the run, idols, and also the walk, right? So this is idle, right? So you just drag and drop your idols into here, and then the walk, you're using the walk one. This one is run, replace with run. This one replace with walking. Okay, so now you try to move the characters now. Okay, so now you see you're using our own characters already, the animations. Okay, so our walking have issue, you see. When we walking, the animations is not really working, right? You know, I check. Okay, so the reasons why our walking is not because it's play one time only. So you need to open our walking file, you click edit. Okay, we need to make it loop times. Okay, loops, so not only one times. So once we play our walking, so you can see it can already. Okay, the walking, is it okay? So sometimes you see the walking not so nice, you can adjust the animations file. So you see got the timing here. You wanted to start from where to where lah, so you need to check properly lah. So for this walking, right, the animation, okay, you can check it, the scripting. So you can try. 它哪里有问题？觉得看一下先。它叫我太密是吗？这个 animation 不美哦。波字行走，因为我拿的是那个多的那个 walking， 因为它是这样子走。Okay, so do the same thing with the run. Okay, do the same thing with the run. So you animate and you check these loop times. Okay, then you click apply. Okay, so now, okay, you try, okay, to walk it and you shift to 不会跑的。等一下啊。Oh, jump. So my run is like this lah. Okay, so this one is the simulator. Okay, so this is the game. Okay, if you do the PC game, so you can just hide this one. So now this is the PC game, right? So it's jump. Okay, jumping. Okay. So how about if you wanted to do the animations for I stop here first lah.